What started as a disagreement over airline seating quickly turned into a major disturbance on board a commercial flight at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport. According to airport police, officers were dispatched after crew members reported that a passenger and his family were refusing repeated instructions to leave the aircraft following an ongoing dispute involving assigned seating and compliance with airline policies.
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have
He threatened all of us too. What's that? He threatened all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
BSOS.
Yeah, he knows the story. Right.
It's the
Okay, so 20. Okay.
Yeah, do it. Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member, the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult part of the family. He removed the daughter.
As officers gathered information from airline staff, crew members explained that tensions inside the cabin had reportedly been building for some time before police were ever called to the plane. According to the airline, the disagreement centered around seating arrangements involving the passengers' family members, including children and an elderly disabled mother, before the situation escalated into a refusal to comply with crew instructions.
I put him in the other seat beside him and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother so the other person could sit in their assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked me to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they could come threatening. And he was just non-compliant.
The encounter intensified when officers informed the family that the pilot no longer wanted them on board and explained that airline crews have broad authority to remove passengers from a flight if they refuse to follow instructions. Despite repeated warnings that refusing to leave could result in arrest, the father continued arguing that he was sitting in the correct seat and insisted that neither he nor his family had done anything wrong.
Very combative and not listen to any bar instruction. I tried to have him on record here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has the right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we're like him on the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
The gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go to the grandmother, but he's gonna have to get off. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't put him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not letting at all.
Okay. All right. So this is what's gonna happen. All right.
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says
To
you're off,
take me
you're
down
off.
on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother?
So your kids can stay with your mother if
No,
that's what you want?
no.
Okay. So
The kids
this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna tell you no. I'm gonna tell you this is the way it works. Okay.
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right. They're your kids. You
For
can
what?
take
For
them.
what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right.
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show
Apparently
you.
I don't need to go anywhere.
I'll show you my
Okay.
seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket,
listen.
I
If
have
you
my-
refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody
what?
on this plane will have to come off, and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as
Look.
that. All right.
As officers began escorting members of the family off the aircraft, emotions inside the terminal became increasingly tense, while nearby passengers watched the situation unfold. Bodycam footage later captured officers attempting to calm everyone involved, organize family members, and continue the investigation as the incident moved from the plane into the airport terminal area.
Look, this is my seat. 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No. Have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
Alright.
to change the seat, but the
I'm
person...
giving you. Are you gonna come off the plane or no? That's all I need.
I
to
am
know.
on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay. Are
I'm
you
si-
understanding what I'm telling
I
you?
am sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. You're going under arrest. Don't worry about it. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm putting my hand behind my back.
I got it. Drop the phone. Drop the phone. You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's gonna happen.
Okay. Okay.
Let's roll. You don't have to attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi stalla! Bibi!
30, give me another unit.
Bibi stalla!
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi stalla! Bibi stalla! Bibi stalla! Bibi stalla! Bibi stalla! Bibi stalla! Aiutami! Aiutami! Aiutami!
Sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami! 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 Sono bimbila! Bimbila! Aiuto, sono bimbila! Sono bimbila! Please! Please, sono bimbila! Please! Sono bimbila, please!
Okay, you can slow down. We got 2 in custody.
Please, sono bimbila! Mia moglie! Please! Sono bimbi, sono fanno male! Fanno male i bimbi! Sono bimbi là! Oh! Ok! Oh yeah!
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbi là! Sono bimbi là!
You guys want to open up? Y'all good? All right. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about. Don't come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you was he did.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you're in custody.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please,
obviously,
please do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
will.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so
not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him go.
Please! Please!
Just please,
Please! Sono i bimbi! Sono i bimbi!
Mas faz.
There's no debates here. We'll send somebody else come, then I walk out. Well, actually,
I need somebody
you want to
to
wait
fill out
because
the
you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else come.
My mom is disabled. She cannot go with
Okay. We understand. I didn't want to work.
I just need your info. Yeah. And the flyer and all that.
Action reaction. That's what it's called.
No, they're gonna pay for
And
it.
you said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you back was turned, you was trying
yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
you.
his
That's
phone
when
off
I-
the floor.
That's,
Okay.
that's when I'm grabbing you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry, you have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I didn't. What
He was trying to grab me. That's what he was trying to do.
The officer's back is
He
still.
was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just I'm gonna need somebody else because I got 2.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
running
I
after
guess.
him. Yes, after me he was.
Then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else from anyone on the
And I got the 2
Who's
friends
Albert?
and witness.
I am Albert.
So I need the one for the backup. I can print it for you out here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family slide.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
In the end, the family was escorted off the aircraft after officers said the situation could no longer be resolved on board. What began as a disagreement over seating arrangements gradually turned into a tense airport scene, involving repeated instructions from airline staff, emotional reactions from family members, and a police response inside the terminal.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside. Go up front.
You can go whenever you want. Here you go. Ask me. Let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody? Boy.
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying. That's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm already.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane.
I'm sorry, I didn't
The pilot has the authority of the plane.
sorry,
Whatever
I
they
didn't listen.
tell
I
you,
didn't
you
know
got to
that.
do it.
I thought you were just right. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the plane
I
and your
swear
children
my
to go
life,
with the
I
family.
thought you were just saying. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will.
and that's where we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once the
dad.
airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.